as we walked down the lower dunes directly into over 23 mile an hour sustained winds that was gusting up to 37 miles an hour. We had to lean forward into the wind and try to protect our eyes from the stinging sand. Couldn't even drink from our water bottles without getting sand in our mouth. Progress was slow. We had to stop often because the high elevations, the oxygen levels were so thin. Well, as we're hiking, Rick and I looked at one another about the same time and decided that this wasn't going to work.